Hello, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I want to welcome you guys back to my channel and go ahead and invite you to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Today I'm just doing a quick vlog and I'm riding around in the car. I'm just kind of talking about some things. My hair and my makeup are not done because I was kind of having a long day, but yeah, so just enjoy.
I think I'm finna go ride. Okay, so let me actually vlog and shut the music down for a second. So what I just finished doing was actually. So what I just finished doing was actually eating my own Wingstop, my 3-piece lemon pepper. It was so delicious. But today was really interesting. Today I should have been vlogging this whole time. The funny thing was I had my camera, but I was so under stress that sometimes when I'm too excited or like I'm too stressed, I'm not camera bound. Like this is not happening. This is not real life. So it's not going to be recorded like on the camera. But basically I had been working, I had been doing an odd end job or whatever, and I was supposed to get paid last week. Now mind you, I worked Thursday, Friday last week, and I was supposed to get paid the first day that I worked. So it's because it's an odd end job, right? So basically, the owner kept giving me the bullshit, giving me the runaround. I peeped that, they was like heavy into the meth crack game, talking about the meth crack lab and all this other drama. I'm just like, okay, it's cool. But then basically the manager texted me last night and asked me to work or whatever today at 8 o'clock from 8 to 2, and I was just like, all right. When I get home last night, I have a relative from Charleston, South Carolina. So my people here, whatever. I didn't even go to bed until like 6 o'clock this morning or whatever. So I texted him that and I was like, hey, I didn't get any sleep. I could work today, but it's gonna be later. So then he's like, oh, that's unsatisfactory. I don't know what employer you can go through and do that. Da 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 da. Okay, obviously you have a problem with paying me because you had the money in your pocket. I pulled up on his ass today on the block, on the street, to get my fucking check and to get my cash money, and that's exactly what he did. And then he had the nerve to be like smart, snooty with me after he was scared, he was intimidated because I pulled up and I blasted NBA Young Boy No Smoke, and after that he was like coming to my car with his wallet out, which he should have done in the first place. If you owe me some money, do not fucking play. Do not try to play with my money. Like that's one thing. Do not try to sit here and play. If you know you owe me some money, give me my money and I will be on my way. Otherwise, you gonna previously, like back in March, I had went like the day that I left my job. The same day I went to the Army recruiting office. I ended up testing on the ASVAB. I got like a 70. I got like 115 for my line score. So everything was like really good. And I could basically make whatever job selections I want. But I just decided to join the reserves and, basically like, and basically, honestly, just being a black Jew, just being about this money and like being into money for yourself, because if it's times where you don't take advantage of the opportunity to have a business, then I really feel like I really feel like the person in front of me can't drive. But yeah, it's basically just really a good opportunity or whatever. That anytime that you have an opportunity to sit there and get more money, you take advantage of that. Like, don't ever just throw away a bag. Like, if somebody came up to you and handed you a bag with money in it, would you throw it away? No. So then don't throw away the same exact thing, the opportunity, whatever. Cool. Now, back to my gangsta music. I'm gonna put on my favorite song off the album. Off the Invasion of Privacy album. Look, they gave a bitch two options, stripping to lose. You said dance in the club right across from my school. I said dance, not fuck, don't get it confused. Had to set the record straight cause bitches up to assume. Mama couldn't give it to me, had to get it in shoes. Lord only knows how I got it in shoes. I was covered in dollars, now I'm dripping in jewels. A bitch play with my money, might as well spit in my food. Bitches hating my guts. Now they said we was cool. Went from making tuna sandwiches to making the news. I started speaking my mind. It's gonna be funny. I triple my views, real bitch. Only thing fake is the boobs. Get money, go hard. Motherfucking right. Never been a fraud in my motherfucking life. Get money, go hard. Damn fucking right. Stun on these bitches out of motherfucking spite. Ain't no running up on me. Will vanilla the glory. I ain't telling y'all to do it. I'm just telling my story. I don't hang with these bitches cause these bitches be corny. And I got enough bras. Y'all ain't gotta support me. I went for riches. Went for weight so lit, nigga. Only person in my fam to see 6 figures. The pressure on your shoulders. Feel like boulders. Where you gotta make sure that everybody's straight. Bitches stabbing in your back while they smiling in your face. Talking crazy on your name. Trying